Sky 009 Pro. It's an upgraded version of the original Sky 009. It's even more portable and it has more power under the hood. This 100-inch screen comes from the Sky 009 Pro. The image is projected using the 0.2-inch digital micro mirror device. This tiny silicone chip has 480 rows, and in each row it has 854 micro mirrors, hence the resolution 854 by 480. Each micro mirror is 1 pixel on the screen. The brightness of the Sky 009 is 300 ANSI lumens, and the light comes from an LED lamp. It also has a battery which should last for about up to 2 hours, and the capacity is 7,800 milliamp hours. You can recharge this battery using a regular power cable or just by using a power bank when on the go. This Android system is very similar to what you would find on a TV. It comes pre-installed with a few useful apps, and it also has the Google Play App Store, and you can download any apps you want from it. The size of the Sky 009 Pro is comparable to a 330 milliliter Coca-Cola can. The top of it has physical control buttons that are made of silicone. The bottom half on all sides has this nice looking polka dot pattern, and the focus wheel is on the right side. The back has all the ports. There's one HDMI, one USB, one 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and there's also this power switch. It will prevent accidental power button presses.